Sorry, yaar. Yeah, with the diagram.
So like if this, so this is the base.
अच्छा दूसरा पेन यूज कर लो क्लीन वाला.
This is the base.
तुम जाना चाहते हो?
नहीं. This is the wooden base. I have placed in forward. This diagram is like this only. I could not drop all those.
ऐसा भी तो कर सकते हैं. और सालों के आगे लगा सकते हैं तो कई सारे वर्ड्स हो जाएंगे. तो कोई डिस नहीं. आगे आगे लंबे वर्ड्स लगा सकते हैं.
These two motors are connected to this. These two motors are used for pushing water forward or backward, and used for moving the boat forward or backward. These two both. So I will use the same DPDT so that they move together and.
अच्छा, you can label that M1 and M2, and instead of saying these you can say M1 and M2. ज़्यादा helpful होगा ना?
So this M1 and M2 are used for pushing forward water forward and backward, and used for the boat can move forward and backward with these two motors. I use the same DPDT so that they both move together like this.
Okay.
Both. So when they push water this side, back side, suppose, and this is and they get a opposite reaction. So when they get opposite reaction, the boat moves forward like this. They both will move together. They both these two motors will move together, rotate together, and will push water backward and take the boat forward. And this motor.
Which motor?
M3. This is used for not turning but moving the boat left side or right side. Like if the water is pushed here, they will get opposite reaction from this side, and this boat will move this side. And if they rotate like this, they push water this side and they go this side.
I think that motor will turn the boat.
Which motor?
M3.
M3.
Yeah, I think so. See, this is the battery, right? Suppose this motor is over here. The motor is rotating. The force is that side, right? See what happens when force is that side. It turns. अगर तुम्हें चाहिए ना ये ऐसे मूव करे तो यहाँ दोनों जगह मोटर्स लगानी पड़ेगी. पर वो ऐसे घूमेंगी तो इधर जाएगी और इधर जाएगी. लेकिन अगर तुम एक साइड में फोर्स लगाओगे ना ऐसे तो इट विल टर्न. Think, okay, that's okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it will turn.
That's fine. Go ahead. Keep going. Oh, it's done. Okay. ठीक है. Um, how would you, so the previous question, can you turn the boat? Moving forward and backward is fine. Can you turn the boat?
So we can turn the boat. Suppose this motor.
Suppose this is not there.
This is not there. Yeah. And we use a different liquidity for M1 and different liquidity for M2. So if I press these two same sides, then it will move forward or backward, or depending upon
Show it by rotating first so that people understand.
If it will rotate same
You're
side,
rotating in the same direction.
same direction, it will move forward, or this like this, it will move backward. But if it is like this, like this, if they both are moving upward, like this move like this and this moves like this.
Yeah.
So then, and out of line force will take like this. Out of line. So see, like this. Will turn.
Okay.
Yeah.
Out of line forces.
Yes.
It can it carry as much weight as we want?
No, there is some limitations in this board. What we can do is it can hold I think 100 or 150 gram because it will sink otherwise and then it will not be able to displace water and it will not get that much buoyant force from water and then it will sink.
Okay. Can I also make, instead of this wooden base, can I use iron base, some metallic base?
Yeah, we can make with that metallic base, but then metallic base will sink. Metallic base will, if this is the water, metallic base will sink because it has higher density than wood. So what we can do is we can give a shape like this. The real boards are given shape like this only. Like this.
Why?
Because till the time water reaches here, it will flow because it is able to displace water.
For the buoyant force.
Yes, and it will get that much buoyant force.
There is one more limitation to this wooden base. This wooden base in contact with water, it will slowly degrade. It will absorb water. This would absorb करता है water को और इसके ऊपर की layers धीरे धीरे निकलने लग जाएंगी. Wood के साथ होता है. This iron also of yours, will it corrode, rusting होगा water से. जंग लग जाती है, पानी से और मॉइस्चर से, पता है ना? तो उसके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं उसको बचाने के लिए?
An outer layer can be
Outer layer.
Yes.
On the iron.
On the iron it can be something like
पेंट कर दो यार, पेंट करते हैं ना अपन. तुम ठीक है. Anyways, any questions please? Questions?
सर अगर ये पानी में जाएगा तो
Ask him. It's his project.
अगर ये पानी में जाएगा तो इसके टर्मिनल्स पे अगर पानी आ भी गया तो ये खराब नहीं होगी. It can be, but in our case, it is on the surface, so the water was not coming. Like you are in a river, some wave is coming and it hit your boat. So when water go to terminal, it will not give the boat quite damage.
What he's saying is electric circuit जो है तुम्हारा मोटर है वो डैमेज हो जाएगा पानी से. क्या कर सकते हैं वो प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए? एक केयर बॉक्स बना सकते हैं जिसमें सारी मोटर्स फिक्स हो जाए या फिर इस पूरी बोर्ड को कवर कर सकते हैं. ओके. एनीवेज तुम मोटर बोट वगैरह में जाते हो तुम्हें मोटर नजर नहीं आती, वो पैक्ड होती है।
वो ब्लैक एक पीछे ब्लैक सा कुछ लगा होता है,
वो पानी से बचाने के लिए पैक्ड होती है, पानी से बचाने के लिए, प्लस यू शुड नॉट बी एबल टू टच इट ना। ओके
But sir, it is not for long distance. When it due to water, the wire will be stretched. Wire will have a stretch, and the wire will be broken. And if you give it, if it is self-working, so it can fall battery also.
Obviously that's why the battery will be fitted inside the boat. हमारे केस में हमने बैटरी फिट नहीं की है।
सर अगर हमने फिट भी कर दी तो अगर हम फिर हमें चलाने के लिए पानी में जाना पड़ेगा ना।
नो व्हाई?
सर क्योंकि ये डीपीटीटी से चलती है और
बोट के अंदर ही होगा ना स्विच।
सर अगर बोट के अंदर स्विच होगा तो जैसे डीपीटीटी बस एक बार पुश करके रखना पड़ता है, तो अगर पुश नहीं करेंगे तो बोट चलना ही बंद हो जाएगी।
We can have other types of switches. Any questions? हाँ बोलो, बोल रहे थे ना तुम। Anything? Sure. मेरे पास एक है वही कि अगर oars number of oars बढ़ा देते हैं, if instead of 4 oars I use 6 oars.
The speed will increase because more water is pushed at the same time, I think. Yeah. In the water there will be 3 oars at a time. I think that 3 oars at the same time. So no, not 3 oars. It will push more water. The gap of the time between, see, if it takes 0.5 seconds for like if this oar hits water in 0.5 seconds and the gap is also 0.5 seconds only, so it took 1 second. But in this, it will move. The gap will be decreased.
The gap between the 2 oars.
2 oars in 2 oars in time will decrease. So it will move faster because I think the tendency of this will increase.
Why are you not thinking in the same way you explained how the boat goes forward? उसी वे में क्यों नहीं सोच रहे हो? क्यों जा रही है बोट आगे? क्योंकि ओर है वो पानी को पुश कर रहा है। ठीक है, अगर नंबर ऑफ ओर्स इंक्रीज हो जाएंगे एक ही रोटेशन में ज्यादा बार पानी पुश होगा। जिस वे में वर्किंग है जो तुमने समझाया है उसी वे में क्यों नहीं सोच रहे हो? उसी वे में ही उस चीज का आंसर निकल सकता है ना। अलग वे से क्यों जा रहे हो? जो वर्किंग है उसी में ही कोई चेंज हुआ होगा, कुछ इंप्रूव हुआ होगा, तभी तो ज्यादा देर स्पीड हो रही है। तो उस वर्किंग वर्क फ्लो के हिसाब से ही सोचो ना। I'm just saying. ठीक है। Any questions? Please ask him if you have anything.
And then if the surface area of the oars is greater, then also it will push more water at the surface. But then also it will move faster. Basically, the oars number is increasing. If we double the size of this, I have taken 1.5 centimeter breadth and 6 centimeter is length. So I made, if I increase it to 12 centimeter and this to 3 centimeter, then it will push more water at the same time. So it will
get more force forward. That's great. But then if you increase the oar size, it will take more power to rotate it.
Yeah, so the battery,
because heavier than it's bigger.
So the battery should be more powerful.
Yeah. So,
the voltage.
So basically, to increase the speed of the boat,
Yes.
ultimately you have to put more power. In fact, number of oars if you increase, then also the amount of material that motor has to rotate is increasing from 4 to 6
so
to 8.
This also the voltage of the battery should also increase.
Should also you should okay. Anything you want to say, or can you make it better in some way? Can you do things? You can increase the number of oars. You can remove that one motor and you can turn the boat with these two motors only.
Yes.
What else? Anything else you can make it better with something? Any ideas?
Yes, in the borders, we can place some more wooden, more what do you say, wooden borders we can make so that the water doesn't come. And this, where I explained that this the shape of should be like this or like this.
Some barriers so that water doesn't come in.
Come in, and also that it is able to displace water till here. It is only it will only displace water till here. Otherwise.